I want to talk to you about strategies and how to fight based on your body type. Now, I was always shorter than the people that I was fighting because, I was a 5'7" fighter that had a little, thickness in my body. So, I didn't want to lose my strength and go down to a weight that was uncomfortable where I ended up being a taller guy. So everybody I fought was taller than me. So the way I would box is basically I'm going to keep my hands up, and I can't stay outside and outbox a guy that's 6 foot tall and is quick. So what I would have to do is I keep my hands up, I'm bobbing and I'm weaving, and as I'm moving towards my opponent, I'm using my jab, but the whole time I'm trying to get inside and attack his body and attack his head. So if I'm moving towards a taller guy, what I'm going to do is I move forward, I'm going to slip outside the jab, roll inside, and I might roll inside and start at the body and work my way to the head, and I'm constantly trying to get this guy to brawl because that is an advantage to me. The shorter guy has the advantage inside. So, I might work my way inside by bobbing and weaving, slipping side to side, and then trying to bull my way and get the guy on the rope so I can bang his body and bang his head. Now, it's the exact opposite if you're a tall fighter. I trained Keith McKnight throughout his career, and he was a 6'6" heavyweight, beautiful, smooth boxer. What we tried to get Keith to do was to maximize his height. If you're tall, you don't want to bend down here and get at the short guy's level because the guy can reach you. You want to stand tall. Be a tall fighter. And so if you're the tall fighter, the other guy is down here and he's got to come to you to hit you. So the way that you would fight a short guy, if you're the taller guy, is basically every time he moves forward, you can just put your back foot back, and you can rock back, boom, throw a right hand, or every time he starts towards you, you basically feed him that jab. You're hitting him on the forehead, you're hitting him on the nose, you're hitting him on the chin. You're constantly hitting him with that jab, and you always bring the jab back high. Pop the guy with the jab, and then as he comes in, if he tries to get through that, boom, you drop the right hand. He's coming to you, punching down because he's shorter, punching down, and when he comes through, bam, you basically let him walk through that jab, and when he walks through it, bam, you got the right hand waiting on him, finish with the hook. So that's what you would do if you're a tall fighter. Short fighter, working his way inside, bobbing and weaving. Tall guy got his hands up, sticking and moving. Moving right, moving left, not letting the guy get to you or attack the body. You make him pay. You stick that jab out there, and if a guy's coming through it, bam, bam, you make him pay for coming inside. That's boxing strategy 101.